Okay. And we don't need to report there. What should I use? Tamang-tamang maids na tanan.
Hi, Messi.
Maids na tanan. Okay. Ruby ko.
Hi, Messi.
Hi, teacher.
Yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Messi? Can you hear
Yes.
me? Okay, very good. Okay, where is your video? Okay, where is your video? Messi? Yeah, can you hear me, Messi? Hmm?
That's good sa holiday. Parang daw. Ano is it, guys?
Okay. Messi? Can you hear me, Messi? Messi? Messi, can you hear me? Okay. So, Messi, hello. Can you hear me, Messi?
Kami sa pinirere.
Hi,
Okay.
teacher.
Yes. Okay, what happened to your internet? Not good?
Yes.
Okay, so today we'll be having Unit 21. The title Messi is the time of the year. Okay, so we have here Messi. Please look at this one and try to focus as teacher N will going to tell you something about adjective. Okay, do you know what is adjective, right? You know this already? Like when I say,
Yes.
Messi is handsome. Oh, what is the adjective?
Uh,
Messi is handsome. What is the adjective? Adjective is
handsome.
very good,
Handsome.
correct, very good. It is handsome. It describes Messi, noun. You are noun, Messi, and Caroline. They are all noun, okay? So we have here the short adjectives. Okay, there are adjectives that is considered messy as short. You like nice, strange. They are one syllable adjective. Short, short adjective. Okay. So in the short adjective, we have here the adjective nice and strange. Okay. So what is comparative adjective? Okay. Comparative adjectives are adjectives that has R, like nicer, stranger. Okay, there is R, okay, or ER. And then superlative, these are the adjective that has ST or EST, like the nicest, the strangest. Okay, we have ST or EST. Okay, so the nicest or the strangest. Oh, and it always have the nicest, the strangest. This is superlative form. Okay, among 10, you are the nicest. Among 11, you are the nicest. But when you say comparative, these are the adjective being compared. Okay, like when I say, Messi is smarter than Caroline. Okay, the adjective, the comparative adjective is
Smart.
smarter. Okay, smarter. Okay, when I say teacher Anne is more beautiful than Jillian. Okay, what is the adjective? It
What?
is teacher Anne is more beautiful than Jillian. What is the adjective?
A beautiful.
Oh, more beautiful.
More
Oh,
beautiful.
that is comparative. You compare teacher Anne and Jillian. Okay, here. Harry is nicer than Frank. Okay. How many people being compared? How many?
2
Two. Harry and
and
Frank.
4.
Okay. That is why we use than because it's two people being compared. Okay. So this is the adjective with two people compared or comparative adjective. Okay. We call it, what is it again? What is it again, Messi? Comparative adjective if you compare. Okay, Harry is nicer than Frank. Look at the adjective. What happened to the adjective Messi? Look at the one encircled by teacher Anne. What happened to the adjective?
Um,
Okay? So nicer. So when you say the word nicer, there is ER. Okay, nicer. Harry is nicer than Frank. So two people compare Harry and Frank. Okay, this one. So we're talking comparative. Two only had two. When we see superlative, the adjective with EST. Okay. Then is the nicest. Okay, the nicest. It means most. The most. Okay. Which is strangest. Strangest. Okay. So it means the superlative. There is ST. Okay. Or there is EST. Okay. You understand? Always remember,
yes.
neck, Messi, when you use the word adjective in superlative, there's always the. Okay? When you compare people, there's always done. Okay, you compare. Okay, next one. Okay, here, another. We are done with the short adjectives. Messi, did you understand? Messi.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
we are now in the long adjective. Long adjective like two syllable, three syllable. Like look at the two syllable ha. Famous. Famous. Two syllable. Three syllable. Expensive. Expensive. Three syllable. Okay. So if you have Long adjectives, you will not put ER or ESA. No, no anymore. You have to put a more. More famous, more expensive. Okay, the car is more expensive than the motorbike. Okay, that is more. Okay, more expensive. Okay, so when you say superlative, the most, okay, you will use the most famous, the most expensive. Okay, that is the superlative form. Okay, look at, can you please read this one?
More.
Are
More.
Messi.
More.
Okay, Akar, please read.
Uh,
Okay, here, can you please read the plane?
the plane is the most expensive way to travel.
Okay, the plane is the most
More.
expensive way to travel. Most expensive way to travel. It's the most, okay? Okay, here. Look at this one. Vocabulary, we have autumn and fall. It means the same. Autumn is used in British English. Fall is used in American English. So when you see autumn, it is British. But when you see fall, you hear the word fall, that is American English. Okay. Oh, it's autumn. Okay. The British are the one who say that one. But when you say fall, it's American English. Okay. So it's okay. Okay. Can you please answer this? Okay, you can write your answer messy in the chat box here. Okay.
What?
Okay. So please try to answer. We have 8 questions. Okay, you write your answer in the chat box.
Okay.
Okay, can you see the what's in that one? Okay, go Mickey. Okay. You tell me if you're done, huh?
Yes.
Okay, there are 8 questions. Very easy because this is your own good.
Also.
I can live, I can fly. Rainbow in the sky. Messi, I will just go to the bathroom, ha? Teacher will go to the bathroom for a while. In the bathroom. Okay, please continue to answer.
Farsa. Yes. Okay. Lord. Puasa ng nasa base. Puasa ng base. Dali, puasa ng yes, puasa ng dali, Lord, dali, Lord. Ikaw sa pag mangamon sa tabi. Yes, right. Ano ang kasi? Wait, hanapin ko bus. Okay na ako. So far sa program mo, sir. Pero natin tapos na. Rubin na tapos. Hey, Farsa, company ni please. That's our rule. Tanaw ganun ang feed pa sa'yo. Eh, last na sa mga na to. Last na. Eh, last na. Nag-more. Nag-3 years pa ko. Sige, last. Last. Ang kay ko, ano ko, nag-ipit lang ko. Okay, last.
Jordan.
Okay now?
Yes.
Okay, so we have here. Okay, number one question. This is personal, ha? Okay, number one. Okay. What day is today? Today is today. Okay, sorry, this September. So today is, okay, what day is today? Actually, this is September. Oh, it's okay. Today is
1st of June.
1st of June. Okay. Is it weekday or is it weekend? Today. Today is?
Day
It is
is
weekend.
weekday.
Yeah, weekend because today is Saturday. You forgot? Saturday is weekend day. Oh, you forgot Messi. Okay. What month is it?
It's June now.
Okay, it's June now. Um, very good. Is it summer, winter, or spring in your country?
It's autumn now.
It's autumn in your country. Okay, in my country, we don't have autumn. No autumn, Messi. Okay. What century are we in? We are in the
Uh,
21st century. Okay. Which month can you see in the picture? What month is in the picture? It
it's
is
September.
very good. It is September, teacher. Okay. Another one. September has 30 days. Okay. September has how many days? There are 30
Third
days.
day.
Okay, there are 30 days in September. Okay. Is September the first month of the year?
Now
No, it's not the first month of the year.
Not.
Okay, now.
Apa?
Okay, let us skip this one. Okay, so let us answer this one. Okay, so Messi, please try to write your answer. Choose words from the calendar. We have here this one, huh? This one, Messi. You have to choose what do you think is the answer. Okay, Messi?
Yes.
Okay, go.
Basta, what's here?
In December.
Dapat basta yun. Eh, dara na scary. Alis good. Is good. Malagay. Is that dahil nasuliin ko. Okay. Kunay, ay simprang ko guys. Kanin. Kaya mo na yes. Bear, nurse. Doon. They're just what? Ito bang ibibigay na ito yung business? Ito ko rin ito percent. Just wait until I get ready. Pag-push ni mo, pasakit. Dahan-dahan. Sige, sige. Guys! I get to do this run ko ba? Kabiyain na siya. Bawi na. Dahan-dahan. Eh, nag-loading ko. Juan, kinain na naabang niya sa tukat. Ang ano. Awaya ko stay. Ayun.
Yeah.
Okay, summer, midday. Number 4, in each hour, there are 60 of this. What is the answer? How many blank in an hour? Minute or second? Okay? In each hour, there are 60 of this. 60 hours, 60 minutes, 60 seconds. What is the answer? Okay, let me see your answer. Oh, 60 hours? Okay, there are in each hour man, we're talking 1 hour. How many minutes or how many seconds? What is the answer?
Minutes.
Okay, very good. That's minute. Okay, 5. Okay. What is your answer, number 1? Number 1, in some parts of the world, this means autumn. What is autumn? It is autumn. Okay. The weather at this time of the year is warm. What is warm weather? Of course, it is summer. Okay, number 4, midday. Okay, this is another way of saying 12 noon. Okay, what is it? What is the term for 12 noon? It is midday. Midday. Let me see your answer. Oh, very good. Okay. So in each hour, okay, most people awake for about 16 of this each day. How many? What is the answer? Minute.
Uh,
Okay, next is weekend. Okay, there is another way of Saturday and Sunday. How do you call Saturday and Sunday? You call it as weekend. Remember, ha? Monday to Friday, that's weekdays. Okay, next. Okay, please read number 8. Sorry, 7.
um, you can see the name of up trail up there on any cylinder. Uh,
Okay, answer is months.
Imo,
Okay. A new one of this begins every 100 years.
a century.
Oh, Central, very good. This is usually the coldest every hour. The coldest
It's
in every
winter.
hour. It is,
Winter.
it's winter, teacher Anne. Okay. This is when your day finishes and another begins. This is when one day finishes and another day begins. This is
Midnight.
midnight. Okay. It's 12. It's already 12:05. That's already morning. Okay. So this is another way to say now.
At the moment.
Oh, very good. Yay. You understand, Messi?
Yes.
Very, very easy. Okay, so I will ask you, what? Look at the pictures. Here are two pictures. In both pictures, we can see picture A and picture B, the birds in the trees. But picture B, there are what tweets there are. Then what things do you think the people in the picture hear? And what can the people smell in the picture? Okay, now please try to compare the two pictures.
Answer the question in the chat box. Sure.
Okay, so please
Yeah,
try to
and
compare two pictures. Compare.
answer the question in the chat box.
Oh no, speak, speak.
Ah,
Wait I will put number 1. Wait. This is number 1 and this is number 2. A and B. Oh, sorry. Okay, number 1. Give me 3 only. 3 differences.
what?
Give me 3 differences that you can see in the picture.
Ah,
Mm-hmm.
the first difference is picture one is winter and picture
Mm.
two is uh maybe summer. The second difference is Second difference is
Second
the
difference
boy,
is?
the boy and the girl. Another difference is
Mm.
um picture one.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
I'm listening, huh? Picture one is?
the boy and his mom is making a snowman. And picture two, the boy and his mom is cooking.
Okay, and then? Okay, you can see they are cooking. Okay, last, number 3.
Number three,
Strategy. Okay, third. What is the differences? Number 3. Give me third.
number three, the tree it don't have the leaf in picture one, and picture two, the tree have a many leaves.
Okay, 3 is? It's snowy. The weather is snowy. It's winter, and here it's summer, right? Okay.
Yes.
How about children? Okay. Have you seen what do you call this one? Snowman in the picture B? Have you seen snowman in picture B?
Yes.
Oh, where is the snowman here? Snowman here is snowman this one. Snowman. This is the snowman in picture A. In picture B, you can see it's summer and it's very nice to travel. Like today in my country, it is already summer. Okay, summertime. Okay, you understand?
Yes.
Okay, can you answer this?
Um.
Uncle George is amazing. The afternoon he drove me to Apple Street Forest where I met to blank my friends first. Okay. Okay, you can speak up if you want. From TV, all of you want one. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so you have the answer now? Oh, answer faster. Apple tree forest where I met two blank, my friends.
Uh, uh,
Okay, number 2. What is the answer number 1? Oh, do you have the answer?
no, I don't.
Oh, you find it hard? Okay, number 1 is, okay, opt. Julia and Mark blank. They called cycle there today on their new, what? New bikes. Okay, it's the new bikes. Okay. First, we made the boats from old newspapers and then sold. Okay, were best one down in the streams. Okay, very good. So it's not deep there. The boat moved fast because it blank. It was quite windy, and of course, for them to be safe because they don't have 2 children. Okay, so Uncle George blank a fire from some woods so we could cook the fish for lunch. What is the answer number 5? It is made. Okay, made or built from some wood so he could cook or he has to To dig
To
the,
the
to dig the tree so that you can cook and you can wash your clothes. Okay? Okay, Messi?
yes.
Okay. Tomorrow, Messi, we will continue E. Wait, teacher. Sorry. Sorry, Messi. Tomorrow, we don't have class. Okay. So, Messi, we have many, what do you call that one? Many absences. So, if you have time tomorrow, it's okay for me. Get in the Zoom, you message me what time. Okay, what time do you like for tomorrow?
What?
Hmm?
What?
What time you are available to have lesson tomorrow for makeup class? Are you free in
Uh,
the morning or in the afternoon?
oh, today. What? Why tomorrow?
Okay. So tomorrow I said that wait. If you have time tomorrow, we can have class. If you have time, because we have two absent. Teacher did not attend the class two times. So we have to do makeup class. Okay? We will gonna have makeup class tomorrow. Okay, what time you are free? 1 p.m. or morning or afternoon?
Uh, Yesterday I have one class and today is two.
Yeah, because but teacher Ann was absent the last time. We did not have class, right? So if you are free, it's only free. We can have class tomorrow, okay? Or
Yeah.
Monday, we can have class on Monday. Okay, Messi?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you so much. I will just tell your mom. Thank you, ha, Messi. Good night,
Yes.
Messi. Good night.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.